Hi guys! In this video, I'll show you how to create this kind of a typography text effect in Photoshop. First, import the image you need. Create a guide to divide the document into two halves. Use my method. You can download the similar image from the site given in the description. First, let's type the text you need. I have taken this phrase. You can use a similar phrase. Please subscribe our channel and join our family for more useful videos. It will be a great motivation for me to upload more exciting videos on a regular basis. Okay guys, back to the tutorial. After typing, place it right at the half of the face. Resize the text as you want. Duplicate the image layer and place on the top and make it invisible. Then, select the other half of the face and create a mask for the image layer below the text. Create a solid color which matches the background of the image. I will choose the black color. Place it below the image layer. Then make the top image layer visible and create clipping mask for the image. Choose the strokes option for the text layer and do the following settings. Click OK. Okay guys, hope you understood the process of making this typography text effect. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you guys in another wonderful and exciting tutorial.